Hey guys, let's eat Burger King. So, meron tayo ditong Coke. Yan. Burger King. And, ito yung ating flame grilled. And yung ating fries. Asa na yung ibang fries, Diyos? Ayan na. Kinuha na ni Joshua yung fries, guys. So, this is the favorite of Josh, yung malalaki yung slice, no? Gusto niya yung fries dito sa Burger King. Kay sa McDo, maliliit yung cutting. O, dito naman sa Burger King, malalaki. So, ito yung ating flame grilled, guys. Kain tayo. Kain tayo, guys. Nam-nam.